Have you ever wanted to turn any image into a detailed 3D sculpture automatically? With this fully automated workflow, no sculpting skills or manual modeling are required. In this video, we'll cover everything from installation and setup to model generation and final results. Let's get started. First of all, go to the link given in the description. This is the workflow link. From here, we will download our workflow file, and we will also download our image. This is the reference image that we will use in this tutorial. After downloading, open the Downloads folder, workflow file, and our image. Now run Flash Attention file. Wait for ComfyUI to finish loading. Now go back to your Downloads folder. This is our workflow file. Simply drag and drop it into ComfyUI. Now you can see some red nodes inside the workflow. First open Manager, then click Install Missing Custom Nodes. Here we have the visual Bruno node. We need to install it. After installation, restart ComfyUI. Click Confirm. The required files will start downloading. As you can see, the download is running, and now the download has finished. Refresh the workflow. Now only 2 red nodes remain. These nodes require models. First we need to download the models. Open the first link in the description. You will find this model here. Its size is around 7 GB. Download the model. After downloading, open your Downloads folder. Here is the model file. Cut or move it from this location. Open the ComfyUI folder. Go to Models. Open Diffusion Models. Paste the model here. Now open the second link. This is our VE model. It is much smaller than the Diffusion model. Download it. After downloading, open the Downloads folder. Here is the VE file. Move it from here. Open the Models folder. Open the VE folder. Paste the file inside. Now return to ComfyUI. Refresh the window. As you can see, the model is now available. If this node is still red, click on the node and select the model again. Now we need the image we downloaded earlier. Click Upload Image. Choose the image and load it into the workflow. Before running the workflow, let's look at the settings. This node controls the output file name. You can use any name you want. This setting controls the mesh resolution. By default, I have set it to 500,000 faces. For most cases, this works very well. Here we have the steps setting. The more steps you use, the more detail the model can generate. In my testing, 30 steps gives very accurate results. There is no need to go much higher. Here we also have the resolution settings. If you increase them too much, your GPU may run out of memory. So I recommend keeping the same settings. For this tutorial, we will keep everything at the default values. Now, click Run and wait for generation to finish. After a few minutes, our final model is ready. Let's analyze it. First, let's analyze the model in normal mode. I am checking the model in normal analysis mode. This view displays the surface normals across the entire mesh. The different colors represent surface orientation. This is a useful way to verify the geometry is working correctly. This step can reveal potential problems, such as flipped normals or shading artifacts. A quick normal inspection, an important step before further processing or repair work. In this case, the model appears clean, with consistent normals. As you can see, our sculpture is ready. The cleaner your image, the better the result. Feel free to test different reference images and experiment freely, importing into Blender. If you want to view the model inside Blender, go to the Output folder, open the generated file, and drag it into Blender. Now switch to Sculpt mode. At this stage, we can refine the sculpt, clean unwanted artifact, and improve the surface. We can enhance facial features, sharpen important forms, and adjust details where needed. Blender also allows us to smooth rough areas, fix imperfections, and improve silhouettes. If the model is for 3D printing, this is a good time to check proportions, wall thickness, and mesh quality. These adjustments help transform an AI mesh into a cleaner, production-ready sculpture. And that's it. We successfully generated a detailed 3D sculpture from a single image using Hunyuan3D inside ComfyUI. From here, you can continue refining the model in Blender, prepare it for printing, or use it in your own projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more ComfyUI, Blender and AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.